Let's go!
Coach Scott here, and yes, you have asked for it. I have heard your call, and we are having another workshop weekend. That's right, we're gonna have another Restart workshop on Saturday, March the 2nd. And we're gonna do it, check this out, we're gonna do it in the brand new Transformation Life Center in Murfreesboro. That's right, so all you East County folks that couldn't make it to the first workshop, here's your chance. Now we're gonna do 2 times this time because we ran out of space last time and we couldn't even get everybody in again. So we're trying to make up for that. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna have a workshop from 9 to 11, and then we're gonna have another workshop from 1 to 3. And I'm gonna send a link right here in your Visita schedule on your calendar on this video so you can go and sign up and register. But we can only take 50 people at each workshop. That's right, we're gonna take 50. So please be mindful of that. Please sign up if you're coming and register your spot, because we will have to cut it off at 50 because there'll be no other room. So it's gonna be an incredible day of transformation, incredible day of content. And most importantly, we're gonna have a lot of time for questions and answers, one-on-one question and answers with me and the coaches. There's also gonna be some special prizes and things. I don't wanna give that away yet. And oh, and by the way, you still have time to go and enter the Share the Love contest this February, throughout the month of February. Go to Coach Scott Oates Fall Facebook page, share any video. We've already had dozens and dozens and dozens of people share. So guess what? You got a chance to win Heal and Recovery, got a chance to win a month's supply of E-bars, and the person that shares the most total, they're gonna win a month's supply of Heal and Recovery and a month's supply of E-bars. So mark your calendars, March the 2nd, Saturday, in Murfreesboro at the brand new Transformation Life Center. I'll get you some information out in the email too. Can't wait to see you guys. Take care. We'll see you soon.